A true slice of life unfolds when a message meant for a friend lands on a total stranger, sparking an accidental comedy of errors. A quick joke about a shared love of coffee goes to a stranger who reads it as a weird confession and responds with amused skepticism. The misunderstanding spirals until both sides reveal innocuous details confirming the mix-up, followed by a surprising, friendly exchange that breaks the ice. What began as a faulted ping ends with two strangers laughing, swapping tips and small kindnesses. Double-check numbers because even a misfire can spark a genuine connection.